Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a conditional split in a Klaviyo flow. Conditional splits are powerful because they allow you to send different messages or actions based on your subscribers' behavior or profile data. This helps you create personalized experiences that boost engagement and conversions. Let's start by opening your Klaviyo account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Flows section on the left-hand side. Choose an existing flow where you want to add a conditional split or create a new one if needed. Inside your flow, click the plus icon to add a new step. From the options, select Conditional Split. This will open a panel where you can define your conditions. Conditional splits can be based on many things, such as whether a subscriber opened a previous email, clicked a link, belongs to a certain list, or has specific properties like location or purchase history. For example, you might want to send one email to subscribers who opened your last email and a different one to those who didn't. Once you define your condition, Klaviyo will automatically create two paths, yes and no. The yes path includes subscribers who meet the condition, while the no path includes those who don't. You can now add emails, SMS messages, or other actions to each path to customize your workflow. It's a good idea to test your conditional split before turning your flow live. Use Klaviyo's preview or test features to ensure subscribers are routed correctly based on your conditions. And that's it. You've successfully added a conditional split in your Klaviyo flow. Using conditional splits helps you deliver more targeted messages, improve engagement, and create a better experience for your subscribers. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other Klaviyo guides to learn more tips and tricks for creating effective flows.